Nat King Cole vein, I got a couple more I want to do. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy, and though he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, and very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way, and though he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you can ever learn is how to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy, and though he wandered very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. We spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you can ever learn is how to love and be loved in return. Nature Boy.